would buy engines built by Rolls-Royce, capable of providing 30% more thrust than the engines used on the 747. Each massive power plant costs $15 million, as much as a ton of gold. Altogether, they account for almost 25% of the cost of the entire plane. But if there's one thing this aircraft needs, it's thrust that won't quit. Each engine provides up to 80,000 pounds of force. Running at top speed, this mega guzzler sucks down a litre of gasoline every second. The A380 is designed for routine flights lasting 13 hours or more. That means when it's fully tanked for takeoff, the A380 carries a lot of fuel. 260,000 litres, 20% more than the load carried by the 747. Just imagine what would happen if anything threatened the integrity of one of those fuel tanks, like a catastrophic engine failure that sends shards of metal tearing through them. That's the nightmare that haunts engineers at Rolls-Royce, and they're about to destroy an engine to make sure it never occurs. These 24 titanium fan blades suck air into the maw of this A380 engine. Each blade is 1 meter in length and weighs 15 kilograms. Lightweight, but super strong. When the engine is roaring along at full throttle, the blades spin at almost 3,000 revolutions per minute. The centrifugal force at the tip of each blade is equivalent to the weight of a 110-ton locomotive. If one of these were to break off and escape into the engine, it could wreak unimaginable destruction to the plane. That's why Rolls-Royce engineers are about to conduct an engine failure test. They're going to intentionally cause one of the fan blades to break off at full speed in order to prove that the engine enclosure can contain the damage without letting any metallic fragments escape. In the process, they will totally trash this $15 million engineering marvel, a small price to pay when the lives of over 550 people could be at stake. A super slow-motion camera captures every moment in excruciating detail. The blades are striped to make visual measurement easier. When the fan is spinning at full speed, engineers send a signal to explosive bolts at the base of the multicolored test blade. Faster than even this camera can see, the knife-like piece of metal shears off and flies into the engine mechanism, wreaking havoc, but no fragments escape. The A380 engines are safe for flight, but there are many more pieces to the puzzle.